Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. So, ato lang yun vlog ha. Kuhan lang sa actual. Okay, kuhan. Nagputol-putol lang itong video. So, this is a total of 1,500 square meters for a package price of 5,000 pesos per square meter net. So, ano siya guys. 5,000. This is ideal for residential or warehouse or parking area for those who have trucks, big trucks. So, ideal ni siya. Pwede ni siya parkingan o sakyanan dagko. Then, if you want bigger, so actually the total size is 4,000. Then the owner will just have sell a portion of 1,500. Pero if you want more, so he can give the 4,000 square meters. So maybe the price will be negotiable. Okay. So gidevelop pa ni siya guys, murag gibuldos-buldos pa ni sa owner, pabuldos pa niya. Although nanay mga napatag, they are already flat terrain. And it is elevated from the barangay road. So, from the concrete road. Ano siya guys. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process land titles, condominium titles, and licenses. Okay. Ano siya guys. So daghang moagi diha nga dagko truck guys kanang mag-quarry tapoy quarry diha dapita. Okay? Thank you and God bless. Bye.